Yesterday, I was reading about Henry Matisse and his experimentation with art. As Matisse is known for bold forms and colors, in recent days, such kind of expression in art has inspired me a lot. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive into various forms of art and design. Together, let's learn, grow, and above all, let's be creative. In this video, I will be starting a new artwork, which is actually an abstract translated from an Indian kitchen. Before we start, let me tell you about the easel I am currently using. It's from Medine and it's really cool. It is multifunctional as you can use it as a tripod or as a tabletop. You can check the link in the description shared below. So, let me share the composition of this artwork that I have already outlined. The motifs I have drawn here came from the brass utensils, which are essential part of Indian kitchen. To give these bold forms a little bit of detail and building modern Indian story, I have added traditional floral pattern. To complete the composition, I am adding another element, which is a palm leaf, and is an integral part of after-meal tradition in India. You can also see the motifs are of different sizes, which is balancing the composition pretty well. To make any composition appealing and have some breathing space, it is really important to have negative spaces. Here's a closer look, and now you know the key points to start an abstract art. In the next video, I will continue with color theory for this artwork. I hope this video has given you motivation to start your own abstract artwork. It is not so difficult, so follow along. If you haven't already, I would be really thankful if you could give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next video. Bye!